Welcome back. Today let's solve the 11th top coding interview question from lead code 48 top coding interview questions. So we'll solve this problem using Python. So here what we have to do is they have given n by n 2D matrix. So what we have to do is we just have to rotate the matrix, rotate the image by 90 degree. So example, if you see 7 or 1, 4, 7, or let's take this way, 7, 4, 1 is been, this row has been converted to column, and this column 1, 2, 3 has been converted, this row has been converted to column, and this has been converted here, right? So basically we just have to pivot this from this to this. So that's what they're asking. So how do I achieve this? So I mean, I can't suddenly change this entire image, rotate it 90 degree like this, right? So we have to go by step by step. So how do I say this? Do it simply. What I do is I'll take the first element. I'll keep it in a temporary variable, and then what I'll do is I'll move the 7 to here, 9 to here, and 3 to here, and then the temporary variable whatever I kept it, I put it here. So basically I'll move the outer part first. This maybe you can say this is left side and this is right side, and then this is again left side, this is the right side, lower, and this is lower side, this is a top side, this is the bottom side. So basically I go step by step. First what I do is I'll keep this in one temporary variable, so that I can overwrite here. So what I do is I keep 1 into one temporary variable and then put 7 here, and then 9 will come here, 3 will come here, and then the variable which I kept in a temporary variable, I'll put it here. So now next element is, I'll put this in a temporary variable. I'll put 4 here, 8 here, 6 here, and 2 here, so and so on and so forth. So the temporary variable whichever I kept it, that 2 will come here. So that's what it says. So it's easy. I'll show you with the code. I already have a code with me. I'll show you the code. This is the code. This is what the matrix is. 1, 2. If you see this is the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the matrix. What we have to do, this is the code function which we have to convert. So we'll debug one by one. The first step is, if you run this code, the first step is, what I'll do is I'll initialize the matrix. I'll say that left side is this, left side and right side. Left side is the starting point, right side, and then in the left side you also have a top. In the left side you have top. Sorry, in the right side also you have top, and then the bottom. Left side you have bottom, and right side also you have bottom. So I'll start with 0, left side 0, right side length minus matrix minus 1, and similarly I'll have for each left and right I'll have top and bottom, right? So let's go step by step. So I have a matrix here which I passed to this function. This is the matrix. So you'll see the matrix here. This is the matrix. What I'll do is, first time I'll have to pass 7 to here. I'll keep 1 in temporary variable. That is what I'm doing here. Can you see top left? This is the top left. I'll keep in temporary variable. This I'll keep 7. I'll move to one place. 9 I'll move here. 3 I'll move here, and then anyway 1 will be there in some temporary variable. I'll keep that 1 here. This is the first side. Next time again what I do is I'll keep this in a one temporary variable. 4 I'll move here, 8 I'll move here, 6 I'll move here, and then the variable which I kept in temporary variable I move here, and so on and so forth. 5 remain as is, so we don't have to rotate. This is what I'll do. So let's go step by step. So first step is I'll have to keep matrix of top left. Forget about I. So this plus I is, so as of now I'm dealing with 0 here. This one I'm dealing with the first, this top left, this is top left, this is top right, this is top bottom left, and this is bottom right. The top left 0, 0 plus I, you forget as of now. Imagine this is 0, left is 0, top is 0. So top left, basically what I'm doing is I'm keeping 1 in a temporary variable. All right. So this is what I'm doing. Top left is 1. You see the output here. What I'm doing is I have to minus I also, you forget here because it's already 0. So this for next iteration. This for next iteration. I is 0, right? The for loop will continue for the next iteration. So because I have to rotate the entire element, I'm starting with the outer element first. right? I'm starting with the outer element, and then I have to go here, here. I have to rotate these elements, and then the middle element. All right. So I'll bottom is this, right? Minus I is 0. You forget about 0 as is because anyway 0. Bottom left is given. So I am saying that bottom left 7. You will see 7 here. Top left is this 1, and bottom left is 7. So I'm swiping here. So saying that you keep the bottom left with 7, you put it in 1. That is what I'm doing here. Okay. Anyway, 1 I have kept it in temporary variable called top. So now you see here 7 is moved here. Now what I have to do? I have to copy this, which is, can you guess what is this? This is bottom right. I am copying bottom right to bottom left. That is what I am doing. Can you see here? Minus I you forget as the bottom right to bottom left. So that is what I am doing. So this is bottom right, which is I am trying to copy bottom right to the bottom left, right, which is 7. So I am basically trying to copy from here to here. So you will understand, you will see the value got changed. Can you see value got changed? Similarly, now 3 will come here. 3 will come. 3, what is, can you guess 3 is it top or bottom? It is top. Right or left? It is right. So that is what it says is top. Again, forget about I. So you imagine this top right. Okay, top right. Where do I have to keep top right? I copy top right to bottom right or left, right. So that is what it is does. So you will see the value got will change here after executing this. 3 will come here, right? Yeah, 3 came here. Now I have to copy this 1 to here, right? Where is 1? 1 is in top. I have to copy that top right. That is what it does. So the first set of elements, so you see 7 got moved here, 7 got moved here, 1 got moved here. Can you see 1 got moved here, 3 got moved here, 3 got moved here, and 9 got moved here. So that first set is done. Now the next step is, so that's where I comes into the picture. What I'll do is I'll use I plus. Now plus I become 1, right? After this first iteration, I becomes 1. You see I was 0, it became 1. And now this becomes this 2, top plus 0 plus left is 0 plus 1, which is top. This is what 2 this is the 2. This I'll keep it on temporary variable. So what I have to do is I'll have to move this to here, this to here, this to here, and somewhere which I kept it here, I'll move it. Okay, let's go. So that's where here, now see, this is bottom, right? This is bottom left. What I'll do is this is 2. That's where I do -1. So this becomes 4. All right, let's see what I'm trying to say. Right, 4. What I'm doing is, so I'm trying to say 4. I'm trying to move to here. What is this? This is left, top left plus 1. This is what I'm trying to. So you see 4 going here. All right. Yeah, changed, got changed. Now 8 going here, you will see. I hope you understanding here. Right. Let me see. Yeah, it moved here. Now 6 coming here, you will see. So what is 6? You'll have to understand this. Right. You will have to understand. So step by step. Yeah, 6 came here. Now you must have kept this. This we are not moving here. Somewhere you must have kept this variable, right? 2 must have kept somewhere. So which is this here, top left. You are copying that top left here. So that's all. So the entire array is rotated. So you had this 1 2 3, 1 2 3 came here. So you can see 1 2 3 become like this, and then of 7 4 1 7 4, it was a column, it became row, and 8 7 8 9 7 8 9, and so on and so forth. So this is how you rotate. It's easy if you visualize it. It's very easy. Now one task for you is, so what is this for? So this is, I mean, you are not doing any rotation inside this. You're not doing any rotation inside this. What is this for? So what I would suggest is, please complete this example how it works, where you don't have a simple matrix. So you also have to go within this. You have to convert this, right? You have to bring 4 to here, 8 to here, and then 6 to here, 3 to here, right? So this is, you also have to rotate the inner part. That is where this these matrix these increment and decrement comes into picture. So let me know. You put a debugger here. You put a debugger and then see what you get it. What's the outcome you get it. So if you don't know what is debugger, and there are many, all the previous example I have explained, It's very simple. You have to just download the VS Code and then put the breakpoint here, and then it will come here automatically run as debug. So I'll stop this. You will see run as debug automatically. It will stop to the first breakpoint, and then you can simply go one by one, step by step, and see the flow of your code, how it is getting executed. So if I simply run it, right, if I simply run it, you'll get the output. You'll easily get the output. In seconds you'll get the output. But I want to stop the program at each and every stage of your important step in your code. So that's where these breakpoints, this debugger comes into picture to debug and to understand your execution of the program. I hope you learned something, and then please let me know in the comment section that you were able to complete this if it was easy. And that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you in the next video.